Good afternoon and welcome back to Blainey Biker. We're in my garage and we are going to be fixing this problem today. Paintless dent repair. I dropped the bike when I was rotating it on the kickstand on a pavement like an idiot. Lesson learnt. Today we are going to be essentially removing this tank, emptying the petrol into a specific container here, and then we are going to be using glue pulling method, and we are going to basically try and pop that dent back into place. And that's what we're going to be doing today. Alright, we're going to be using this tool here. We're going to take these bolts off. These are easier than taking these ones off. You can leave the bracket on. And just take these bolts off fully. Take this out as well. It's like a, well, that can stay in, to be honest. Just make sure that you don't lose it. This can stay in, and then this lifts away from there, lifts away from the bracket. Okay. Right. So just finish taking these ones off. You might get a little cloth just to stop the contact here with the frame. It's useful. Continue taking this bolt out. It's possible to get this through here. There we go. Get a cloth for the other side as well. Just take out this bolt again. There it goes. Washer. Let's put that through there. What's that we need? A washer here. It's not, yeah, there it is. And that's it now. So the tank is free, so now we just need to do the bit which you might consider difficult, but it's not. And that's taking the tank off, disconnecting it. So you're going to need a flathead screwdriver for the fuel line. And the rest is quite easy. But I'll show you what I mean. Let's attempt this. You want to make sure that you're not putting any weight on the bike and moving it. Let's take this off. Put it that way. Right. I'm going to get you a better angle of this. So the tank has been emptied, including the reserve. Pump removed. You can see there. It says empty. And we've gone and we've put the petrol can right here. And so yeah, next step is leave it, let it air out, and then we can start looking for the damage. You see the access point through there. Let's get up to this dent here. So we should be able to access it through there if we need to. Otherwise we can use a glue pulling technique, which we'll try first. So lessen the dent, and if we do need to, we can access through it with a tool and push that metal. Of course we need to heat it up, which is why we needed to remove the petrol in the first place. So we needed to remove the petrol so that we can apply heat to the metal, and it makes it more malleable and we can get the dent out essentially. And then we'll refill the petrol tank once we're done and put it back on the bike. Right, so we've mounted the tank back up with the bolts on. It's not connected though, there's no petrol in there. We're just using some release agent just to clean the area first, and it really has worked well on cleaning that area. This part here on the tank has been well cleaned. It's dirt from when the pavement hit it, and that's been cleaned. So it's very nice now, looking good. I'm just heating up the glue gun over there. We've got a heater, and we're going to use a hairdryer to apply heat to this area. And then we are going to get on with using the glue gun to try and pull this dent outwards. It's already a good improvement here. Let's see how it works out. Let's apply some heat. So this is the glue. I'm gonna there we go, we've got the glue attached. Just let it set a bit. I'm going to attempt to raise that dent. I say attempt because that's literally what we're doing. We're seeing if this technique works, otherwise we have to push it from the inside. So guys, we've just connected the fuel line and the electric line to the tank, and then we just need to connect these two hoses here, and then we can mount the tank back on. So that's, if you can see that, that's how it is. Fuel line, electric line onto the fuel pump, which is inside the tank, and just connect those, the petrol overflow and the breather line, those two hoses, connect that into here. Make sure it's the right one. So the left breather hose is this one. Just grab it, lined out for the ECU there. Just connect it back onto there. Push it fully on, all the way on, and then secure it with these little pins little squeezy things. And all the way up there to the top to secure it. Connect that to the other nipple. All the way up and secure it. And that's it. And the tank's connected up again. We just mount it, bolt it down, and we can rock and roll once we put the rest of the bike back together. Right, so this last step here is just filling up the gas tank, and then I'll show you guys the finished result. It isn't perfect, but it's a lot more improved than it used to be. Perfect. Slowly does it. About 10 litres out of the 14 litre tank. So that is the finished product. Massive improvement. The dent was all over here. This is all dented down. Now you can't tell at all here. Just this little bit here, which I might take to a body shop, but certainly not as difficult to repair for them, so I've certainly saved myself money. And I'm pleased with how that's turned out. That's not so bad, you can't even tell from this distance. And I will be trading this bike in a few months in March to get most likely the new model, Gen 4, because I just love 09 SPs. The triple, the power, wheelie machine. I don't really think I want the sports bikes or anything, so, or Tourers. So yeah, happy with that result. So guys, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts, and I hope you found this useful, because there's not very many videos on this bike, so you can see the tank and the damage and dents and things like that. So that's why I thought I'd make this video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.